And for anyone that drives anywhere that snows and has a lot of cold weather where they're using salt in the ground, what I do is I spray everything with this PB Blaster oil spray, and this is how I do it. So I hang all my binders like this. I spray them down. All the rust just kind of melts off, and then after you're done, which I already sprayed all these down, you grab this white silicone spray and you just spray the whole thing down like this, and it usually keeps it protected for about a couple weeks or a month. And the salt really does a lot of damage to our equipment in the Northeast, places that have mountains, you know, like Washington State, Cali, Wyoming, places like that. So spray everything down and it'll make your binders last a lot longer.